Let us do one interesting experiment in sound. Sound is a form of energy. We need balloons and hexagonal nuts, then coins. Now you take one balloon, yellow balloon, and you take a hexagonal nut. Hexagonal nut has 6 faces. You put inside the balloon, then you blow. Then you put a knot. The balloon is ready. Right. Then you take the red balloon, you put a coin in through the mouth, and then you blow. Tie the balloon at the neck. In the same way. So we prepared 2 balloons. And the yellow balloon contains one object and the red balloon contains the coin. Now let us do the experiment. First you take the yellow balloon and it contains nut. Okay. Now hold the balloon with your fingers like this. Then rotate the balloon. What do you observe? If you rotate the balloon, it creates a musical note. Or this experiment is called screaming balloon. Now you keep the yellow balloon, you take the red balloon, and this balloon contains coin. Now in the same way, rotate the balloon. Now there is no music at all. But you see, the coin is revolving around the walls of the balloon. Why? It is not creating any musical note. The yellow balloon which contains nut is creating musical note, but the red balloon which contains coin is not creating any musical note. What is the reason for that? Let us discuss. Now you take a hexagonal nut. Hexagonal means it has 6 faces. When the nut is revolving around the walls of the balloon, it will make a stick and slide motion. Like this, due to friction with the walls of the balloon, it makes vibration. So due to vibration, the balloon is creating sound. But in the case of red balloon, which contains the coin, analyze the coin, the edge of the coin, it is very smooth. If you rotate the balloon and the coin inside the balloon is also revolving in the circular path, but it is not creating any musical note. The yellow balloon which contains nut, it creates musical note because of the shape of the nut. It has foldings, so due to friction inside the wall, it moving and creates vibration. That is why we get music. But in the case of red balloon, because of the coin, it also rotates in the inner side of the wall of the balloon, but there is no vibration. Therefore, there is no music. That is the reason for creating the music in the case of balloon containing nut, and no music in the case of red balloon which contains coin. Now you take the yellow balloon. If you smoothly or steadily rotate the balloon, the frequency of the sound is somewhat less. See, This sound has low pitch, low frequency. How will you increase the pitch? Now, if you increase the speed, pitch is increased, and that means the frequency of the sound is higher. So, you can change the frequency by increasing the speed of rotation. That's all. Again, one more step. First, you rotate the balloon, then you stop rotation. What will happen to the sound? See, now we are rotating. Rotate for some time, then stop rotation. Even after stopping the rotation, you are able to hear the sound. What is the reason for this? That is, we stopped the rotation of the balloon, but the nut inside the balloon still it continues in its state of circular motion. So it is due to the rotational inertia. See, first you rotate. Now I stopped. You are able to hear the sound. That is due to rotational inertia. Thanks for watching.